James here with DenaliWeld. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different that you haven't seen us do before. We're going to be welding up this globe fire pit that you see next to me. First you're going to see us tacking the assembly up with our Jet 2000 with single wire. Then we're going to be welding it. One of them is going to be dual wire silicon bronze. The other is going to be dual wire stainless steel. Hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, we got everything tacked up here on this globe. Now we're gonna get into the welding portion of this. We're be running a dual 1/16 stainless wire on our scale weld mode, which mimics a pulse TIG. Just finishing up our welding here on this globe with our dual wire 1/16 stainless. Now we're going to be moving on to our dual 045 silicon bronze, and we'll be able to see the differences in the two filler metals on the base material. Thanks for sticking with us through the setup and welding of these two fire pits. We have a silicon bronze here, the stainless steel welded one here. Took us about 15 minutes each with the laser welder to get these welded up, ready to go. In my experience, if we were TIG welding them, we'd be looking at probably 2 hours per unit. Make sure you follow us on our YouTube and check us out on our website, www.DenaliWeld.com. Stick around for the next video. We'll have something else cool coming for you.